This only laptop stand you'll ever need. 8-in-1 docking stand review and real-life test. If you've ever tried to work outside with a laptop, you know the drill. 2 USB-C ports, 1 charger and a bag full of dongles. Feels premium in hand. An alloy chassis that's rigid and scratch-resistant, not a flimsy plastic riser. There are large ventilation cutouts underneath which help airflow and keep your laptop cooler under load. I've been using this 8-in-1 laptop docking stand, and honestly, it changed the way I work. No more hunting for card readers or juggling adapters. It's built to replace the mess of adapters and streamline both desk setups and travel workflows. Plug one cable into your laptop and you instantly get multiple ports. It supports 100 WPD pass-through charging, so you can power your MacBook or other USB-C laptops while everything else stays connected. It's premium feeling, ergonomic, and genuinely speeds up media workflows. 3 simple steps to pack it away. 1. Fold the support arms. 2. Collapse the angle rails. 3. Slip it into the included pouch. If you want one, I tested the exact model and left a link in the description. So today we are going to make a tiny vegetable cutting machine, a compact and creative DIY project that works just like a mini kitchen helper. And now comes the most exciting part, the full testing. Watch till the end to see how perfectly this project performs in real action. Starting this amazing project, we'll make 2 clean holes on one side of it. Next, we'll take a small DC motor with a propeller or razor blade attached to it, place it carefully into the hole we made earlier and fix tightly so that there's no air leakage or vibration when it runs. After that, we'll add an on-off switch to control the power and a battery holder to supply the required. Now it's time to make all the electrical connections. The wiring is really simple, just follow the same method I'm showing here. Once all the wires are connected properly, we'll solder each joint carefully so that the connections remain strong and stable. After soldering, we'll use instant glue or hot glue to fix every component in place. Make sure everything is secured tightly so that no part moves when the motor runs. Once this setup is complete, now for the next step, we'll take one small plastic gear, and now we'll take one more double-edged razor blade and carefully attach it with the gear. And using a little bit of instant glue, we'll carefully attach the razor blade onto the side of the gear. Make sure it's properly aligned and tightly fixed so that it doesn't move when the motor starts spinning. Next, we'll take 2 lithium batteries to provide enough power for smooth and stable operation. Both batteries are connected to our battery holder, which we already attached earlier. Now everything is ready. Let's turn the switch on and check the result. As you can see, the motor instantly starts running. Before the final testing, let's quickly assemble the complete body of our project. Once the body is fully assembled, it looks very compact and professional. And now it's time for the final test. Let's switch it on again. You can clearly see how efficiently it cuts the chili pieces. Clean and fast. The speed and performance are really impressive considering how simple this setup is. So that's how easily you can make this useful little cutting machine at home. How did you like this project? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all for today's video. We'll meet again in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.